Hello everyone, this is Stephanie. Welcome to another video. So it's time to share Eureka Crystal Beads December collection, and it's very exciting. I have not seen this yet, so we're going to be seeing this together, which is kind of cool. So it's called Swan Beads Collection, and for those of you who are not familiar with the collections, this is not a subscription. It is not a monthly subscription. It is a beautifully curated collection of beads, stones, findings, all kinds of beading goodies that they offer on their website monthly, and you can buy the entire collection or you can buy the beads individually from the collection. They're listed as well. So without further delay, let's get a look at these beautiful beads. Okay, let's do it from start to finish in case you want to give this as a gift, because it is an amazing gift for the beader in your life. I mean, it's fantastic. So let's open her up. Oh, and this is what it looks like. So this is how it comes, wrapped in tissue, and you get a little sticker. Thank you for your order. And here, let me just open this up. So beautifully packaged. Hello. Beautiful. All right, so here's a little peek at what's inside, and here is the picture. It's called Swan Lake. So I'm going to take everything out of the, well, before I do that, let me just open this and I'll just show you the pieces. So here you've got your collection. So pull everything out. Here are all the beads right here. Wow, I love these colors. You get your list with your paragraph, and you get this gorgeous picture that is the inspiration for this incredibly beautiful collection. Whoops. Yeah, I'm trying to pull it a little bit. Okay, so I'm going to take everything out. I'm going to organize it, and then we'll get a look at everything. Okay, so I've taken everything out. I'm going to start with the seed beads. I'm going to take all these bags and put them aside. Oh, so pretty. And we'll go through those. I'll take those out of the bags, and we'll go through those. And you get your little inspiration paragraph, which I'll let you kind of read on your own. And then when you open this up, it has your list here, so Swan Lake Collection. Here is your list here. So you have seed beads, check glass beads, Krakowski crystal, Preciosa crystal, Chinese crystal, and findings. Here is your item number. Here it is, this number identifies this item. It's an SKU number, so you can just type that in the search bar on their website, and that item will come up. I do that all the time when I'm going to order more. Where it says here ×4 ×2 ×2, you get 4 of those, 2 of those, and 2 of those. And sometimes they have more than one SKU number, which means you'll get one or the other. So they've kind of, put in two very similar beads, and they're always gorgeous. All right, so let's take a look at the seed beads. The first thing we're going to look at are the seed beads, and look how pretty these colors are. So beautiful. So I'm just going to kind of pick up these 3 here. So we have these are going to be the Toho seed beads, and we have a Toho 15-0, and this is in, I think this is Sweet Blush, so perma-finish galvanized sweet blush, and I love the perma-finish. It doesn't wear off. It's just really nice. It's like the Miyuki Duracoat. And then we have a Toho 11-0 in perma-finish galvanized sweet blush again. Isn't that pretty? And look at this 8-0, inside color rainbow, light sapphire, opaque teal lined. Wow, that is a mouthful, but it is a beautiful 8-0 seed bead. Look at that, isn't that gorgeous? Love this color combo together. Before we get to the next seed beads, the Toho seed beads are 8 to 9 gram tubes. All right, so now we're going to go to the Miyuki seed bead. So we're going to start with a round seed bead, and this is a mix, and it's a gorgeous mix. Look at the colors in that mix. Let's see if I can focus there. We've got some blues, we've got some like silver lined, like deep blues, and then we have some aquas, we have some mattes, and some frosted. Really, really beautiful mix. And then we have this Delica, and this is a gorgeous sort of light peachy blush color Delica bead. Gorgeous. And look at this bugle. I have these bugle beads. I love these. These are all different. This is sort of a teal, like a frosted teal, but it's got an AB finish. Isn't that gorgeous? So it's like a matte or frosted bead with the AB finish on it. Gorgeous. So pretty. So on this one, you get a 10 gram tube. The Delicas are a 7.6 gram tube, and the bugles are an 8.5 gram tube. Next up, we have these beautiful Preciosa check glass 11-0 seed beads. You get a 6-string hank, so you have 6 strings on here. in this hank, and they're Preciosa, which are just the most beautiful, beautiful beads. And look at that gorgeous sort of coral, peachy, really, really beautiful color. Okay, next up we have some check glass beads. So we have a fire polish, a 2mm strand of 50, and that's a very pretty sort of white, sort of frosted white. Beautiful, very wintry, icy feeling. And then we have rose petals. These are 8x7mm check glass beads, strand of 50. And let's see what that looks like. So here, it looks like that. It's a definite rose petal. Wow, that would be cool to make like a 3D flower. All right, that's on the list because that looks like fun. And strand of 50. And then you get lentil beads, 6mm check glass beads, strand of 50. So the lentil bead is a little round, sort of round flat bead, and has a hole at the top. Looks just like a lentil, and I love that color. That's like an AB, crystal AB. But look how soft and beautiful those colors are. Really pretty. Next up are these pretties. So we have a ginkgo bead, and I love ginkgos. I actually am putting something up on my channel, or it might even be up already, or it's coming very soon using ginkgo beads. This is backlit aquamarine, and look at that gorgeous backlit bead. So it's silver on the back. Look at that gorgeous glow. And then we have a gem duo, and this is luster opaque pink. You get, let me see the size of the tube. You get a 8 to 9 gram tube, and the same with the gem duo. Isn't that pretty? These are so pretty together. I love these colors together. So soft, so beautiful. Okay, next up we have some Krakowski crystal, and we have these beautiful 3mm pearls. You get a strand of 135, and it looks like rose gold. And look at this beautiful sort of matte aqua pearl. That is gorgeous. You get a strand of 104mm. Aren't those beautiful together? Love. Okay, next up we have the Fancy Stones by Krakowski, and you get a mix of them. You get 12 of them, and it's called Accent Mix. So I love that you get 4 of one of these gorgeous white opal chatons. Then you have 2 of these cushion cuts, and this color is so pretty. It reminds me of the rose pink of Swarovski. I think that's what they called it. Look at these pretty rivolis, and it looks like a blue zircon to me. A couple of these beautiful green chatons here. They're not the deep emerald. They're a little lighter, which I absolutely love. And look at these little peachy color rivolis as well. So look at those gorgeous, gorgeous fancy stones. Okay, next up we have this gorgeous, gorgeous Preciosa crystal, and these are bicones, 4mm pack of 40, and I believe that's blue zircon. What a gorgeous color. Look at the sparkle on those bicones. They're so, so pretty. Next up we have a Chinese crystal, and we have 3x2mm rondelles, and we have this gorgeous sort of peachy color right here, and you get about 190 pieces here. These are so pretty. Look at that. Isn't that gorgeous? And then look at these. These are so pretty. This again 3x2mm, approximately 180 pieces. This is sort of in a matte green. And this is sort of so we've got a matte here, and then we've got one that has, sort of a sparkle. So very pretty. Okay, next up we have findings, and we have the Tiara Cast toggle clasp, 1 set. So it's this little tiny little clasp here. Love the small clasp, so pretty. And then we have Tiara Cast link, and it's a leaf link. So isn't that pretty? So you get 4 of those. These are all copper. And then you get a button. It's a heart carved 18mm button. I love that. Isn't that pretty? Oh, I love that. It's so pretty. And I love it. It goes so well with all the colors in the rest of the collection. And then an ear wire. You get a round ear wire with 2mm ball. 25mm, you get 2 pair. So here we go. And look at these little charms. They're swans, 14x14mm. You get 2 of them. So how cute are those? I don't know if they're all outlined in rose. Is it rose gold or regular gold? Yellow gold. I'm not sure which one, but so pretty. So here are your findings. Okay, here it is, your Swan Lake collection. How pretty is this? How beautiful are these gorgeous peachy colors and rose gold and greens and I just love the copper findings with it. Just lovely. So we'll be making some pieces using this collection, of course, as we do with all of them. So I'll put a link in the description box below the video to this collection and the collection page. Check out the other collections that are still available. So I want to thank you so much for being here. I'll see you next time. Take care. Bye-bye.